In Marion, there are 3 elementary schools that are organized by theme.
You have the students who are drawn more to Herbert Carter, learning how to lead in everyday life. You will have the students who love STEM, and they absolutely adore being at MST. And then you have your students who love to be on the stage and love to create, so they probably would be drawn to VPA.
Here at VPA, since we are the performing arts school, we have drumming, step team, piano, choir, and then what we call drama club, set design, behind the scenes, art club.
Because we do have so many different ways for students to get plugged in, everyone can find a place to belong and to grow.
Marcus, he was introverted when he came here, but now he's running to the teachers. He's running to say answers. I feel like the school formed him into his creative self.
Being able to watch students become successful at things that they thought, oh, I'll never be able to do that, is one of the most rewarding things. The confidence that they build on stage definitely translates to what they do in class.
Marion Math, Science, and Technology Magnet has been a great springboard for my children.
They're all about math. They're all about making experiments and seeing how things work.
We looked at all the elementary schools. We even looked up some of the videos, and he said, Mom, this is the school for me. And I said, okay, let's do it.
They are enhanced with all types of hands-on activities, as well as opportunities to share and develop that love for science.
MST brought the best out of our son. Why? The teachers allowed him to be who he was, and they did exactly what they needed to do for him to learn.
If I brought Bo and Bell in here right now and I said, tell us your favorite part of MST, they would probably say just the atmosphere. They feel safe, and because of that, they're able to learn.
The culture of global is the best part of our school. Our theme is truly leadership. The 7 habits that we teach based on Leader in Me will help a child be successful in a global market.
They are given classroom responsibilities. They have a job. They're so proud of the jobs that they have.
I like that because they get to do things here, and then at home, they take initiative at home.
They're learning Spanish, they're learning about other cultures. It's really expanding what they even think about as their world.
When our kids come to Herbert Carter, they are assigned a house based on their character traits. It truly nails our kids with what is the best part about them.
When we came in and found out what her house was, she had an identity here. They come here and they have an instant family.
También pues les dieron una oportunidad a los niños también que se desarrollen en sus habilidades que cada uno tiene para que también que crezca esta escuela y que también los niños.
If your child is very creative,
if they are seeking a sense of belonging, if they have an excitement for the world around them.
You want to nurture an environment, a safe school.
If you want them to be innovative, if you want them to feel inspired.
You're looking for a place that can find what is special about them.
If you want to know they're cared for, if you want to know that they're safe, if you want to know that their best interest is at heart, the school district is very professional. They're going to be able to take my child from where they are to where they need to be.
We're going to do everything that we can to give them what they need to be successful for years after they leave, because this is really just a tiny little piece of their story.
I want to make sure that people understand it's just so much more than school to a lot of us.